In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that virtual assistants and social media managers stall their own income. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, and if you're a virtual assistant or social media manager, you know that making a lot of money can be tough. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you might be sabotaging your income without even realizing it. So sit back, relax, and learn how to start making more money with your skills. How many of you are currently charging hourly for your services? I'm guessing that the vast majority of you are charging hourly. That's a horrible idea. Package pricing is the best approach for virtual assistants and social media managers. When you charge via a package, you give the client a flat fee and list what you will do for that flat fee each month. Only with package pricing will you start earning what you're worth. We will look at 3 reasons why pricing your services hourly is an extremely bad idea. And the first issue that we're going to look at is the risk of not getting paid. When you charge by the hour, you do the work up front, and then you invoice at the end of a specified period, usually monthly. You send an invoice to your client and pray they pay it. What do you do if they don't pay it? You worked for many hours for free, and you've probably lost a client. That's a huge risk when you charge hourly. The next problem with charging by the hour is that you get better at completing tasks the more you do them. Tasks take the time they take. That's what I hear all the time. But this is extremely short-sighted. See, the more you do something, the faster you get at it. Perhaps when you priced your package, you figured it would take you an hour to post to help with social media posts. You package up 15 posts and captions for $500 a month. Now, if you had charged $15 an hour, you'd have made $225 for the same block of time. Now consider what happens several months later. You've been doing the work and have gotten faster at it. Now it takes you 30 minutes to get the job done. That package that originally took you 15 hours to complete is now taking you 7.5 hours to complete. You're making half the money if you're charging hourly. But you've effectively doubled your hourly rate by charging via a package. So as you can see, you're costing yourself money the more proficient you get at any tasks. Remember, clients are going to agree to pay what they think a task is worth. If they agree to your package pricing, they agree it's worth that price. Do you think that they're going to complain if it takes you less time to deliver the same results? Of course not. They're going to be thrilled that you got things done faster. Now, the final reason charging hourly is a really bad idea is that you cannot scale your client roster when you do this. When you charge hourly, you must work enough to get the pay you need to live. This means you don't have the time to meet with potential new clients. As a result, your client roster stops growing. This inhibits your ability to scale up your business. So to recap, charging hourly is just killing your revenue. You risk not getting paid. You lower your income the faster you get at tasks, and you just can't grow your client roster. If you want help with these and many other issues, take a look at the Explosive Revenue Growth Roadmap, the program we just launched for people just like you. If you'd like to know more, get on a call with me at callwithmahoney.info. Whether or not you become a client, you will walk away with some valuable solutions to your problems. Now, if you got value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll always get notified when new videos come out from Top Tier Coaching Services.